Once upon a time, there was a purple sock named Perp who had a cold. One day, Perp sneezed a big sneeze, and out popped a talking sneeze bubble.
从前有一只名叫 Perp 的紫色袜子，它感冒了。一天 ，Perp 打了一个大喷嚏，喷嚏泡泡跳了出来，开始说话。
The sneeze bubble twisted into an S shape in the air and exclaimed with excitement, "Wow, I'm finally free! I want to be the first sneeze bubble to land on the moon."
喷嚏泡泡在空中扭成了 S 形，兴奋地喊道：“哇，我终于自由了！我想成为第一个落在月球上的喷嚏泡泡。”
The sneeze bubble went into the jungle, but got stuck in a spider web. Whoosh flop! The snot bubble bravely charged into the jungle, only to get stuck in a spider web like a sweet dumpling. The spider yelled, "Did takeout just arrive?"
那个鼻涕泡飞进了丛林，结果粘在了蜘蛛网上。嗖，噗！鼻涕泡勇闯丛林，却被蜘蛛网当成水晶汤圆挂在了树上。蜘蛛大喊：“外卖自己飞来了！”
Nearby, there was a hippo who was also sneezing a lot. The hippo popped its head out of the pond and sneezed. Achoo! The sneeze bubble bounced off a spider web and added, perhaps a smaller goal for now. Flying out of the window will do.
附近有一只也在不停打喷嚏的河马，河马把头从池塘里探出来，打了个喷嚏。阿嚏！鼻涕泡从一张蜘蛛网弹了出去，补充道：“也许现在设定一个小目标，飞出窗外就可以了。”
Just then, the sun, wearing cool sunglasses, noticed the sneeze bubble blocking its rays. "Hey, sneeze bubble, you're in the way of my sunshine," said the sun.
就在那时，戴着酷炫太阳镜的太阳注意到了挡住它光芒的喷嚏泡泡。嘿，喷嚏泡泡，你挡住了我的阳光，太阳说道。
With its rays, it catapulted the sneeze bubble up into the sky, onto a fluffy cloud.
它用光芒将喷嚏泡泡弹射到天空，落在一朵蓬松的云上。
Enjoy your VIP ticket to the sky. Now atop the cloud, the sneeze bubble started to dance happily. The view up here is... Wait a moment, am I shrinking? Cried the bubble in panic.
享受你通往天空的 VIP 票。现在在云顶上，喷嚏泡泡开始快乐地跳舞。这里的景色真好。等一下，我在变小吗？泡泡惊慌地喊道。
The sneeze bubble caught hold of a dandelion seed and yelled, "Help! I'm turning into air chewing gum."
喷嚏泡泡抓住一根蒲公英种子，叫道：“救命！我变成空气口香糖了。”